This is the channel to pick the right product for your needs. Watch this channel's video before you decide. Right Pick presents top 5 best label printer. Let's get started with the list, starting off our list at number 5. Technologies ZD410 printer. Why you will like this printer? Let's see some features. This is the smallest printer in its class. Fits easily in the most space-constrained areas. And if there is no room on shelves or desktops, you can simply mount the ZD410 on a wall. 300 dpi printing. The ZD410 offers a higher resolution printing option. Faster printing. The ZD410 offers a 33% increase in print speed at 203 dpi. Zebra's innovative management solution turns the ZD410 into a cloud-ready smart printer that can be easily managed remotely. More memory. Compared to competitive printers, the ZD410 offers 4 to 128 times the flash and 2 to 32 times the RAM. Check the description below to see the best price and more info. At number 4, DYMO LabelWriter 450 Triple Thermal Label Printer. Take a look some of its features and benefits. Create and print up to 71 address, shipping, file folder and barcode labels, name badges and more per minute. Use included DYMO stamp software to print USPS approved postage directly from your desktop, without fees, contracts or monthly commitments. Thermal printing technology eliminates the need for expensive ink or toner. Connect to PC or Mac, and you're ready to print labels right from Word, Excel, Outlook, QuickBooks and other programs. Compatible with Windows 7 or later and Mac operating system 10.9 or later. Refer user manual for troubleshooting steps. Eliminate the waste and hassles of sheet labels and print precise quantities without difficulty. Coming in at number 3, DYMO LabelWriter Twin Turbo Label Printer and Scale. Some cool features can help you to buy it or not. This label maker is an all-in-one kit with everything you need to address, weigh and stamp your mail. Thermal printing technology is silent and never needs ink, toner, or ribbons. 300 dpi resolution 55 labels per minute print speed. Holds 2 label rolls for twice the productivity with less switching. USB compatibility with Windows 2000, XP, Vista and Mac operating system. Includes label printer, scale, 1 roll of 200 DYMO stamps postage labels and 1 roll of 130 DYMO address labels. 2-year limited manufacturer warranty. It's an excellent label printer. You can choose it for your needs. Check the description below to see the best price and more info. At number 2, Brother QL700 High Speed, Professional Label Printer. This printer is really a different one because of its nice features. Let's see some features. Create cost-effective paper labels for packages, envelopes, file folders, discs, banners, postage and more. Ultra-fast, printing up to 93 labels per minute. Prints pre-sized, easy peel, rounded corner labels. Also prints on continuous length paper and film tapes for banners and signs up to 3 feet long. Capable of printing postage for packages and envelopes, right from your desk. Convenient, drop-in rolls. No ink or toner needed. Auto Cutter provides precise cuts for printing one or multiple labels at a time. To know more about this printer, you can check the description below this video. And lastly, our top choice is ROLLO Label Printer. Its top-notch features you should consider. Works with any thermal direct label including free UPS labels, save hundreds of dollars on label costs. High-speed printing at 150 mm per second, nearly twice as fast as the closest competitor. Advanced thermal direct technology prints without requiring toner or ink. Prints at quality required by UPS, FedEx, DHL, and other major couriers. Compatible with Windows XP and newer and Mac 10.9 and newer, ROLLO offers 5-star US-based customer service via phone, email, and remote desktop. Easy to set up with short how-to videos. High-speed, wide-format label maker prints labels up to 4.1 inches wide, including 4 inches by 6 inches shipping labels, warehouse labels, barcode and ID labels, FBA labels, bulk mailing labels and more. To see all of our choices, go to the links below in the description and search for more information and the price.
Yeah.